Hi, I'm Sunny J, and this is a business tip for all of you makeup artists or maybe aspiring makeup artists. If you are applying makeup, right, you building a customer base, and you don't actually have any products that you market, you are really missing the boat. So there is a company, been around 136 years, that right now there is zero investment, and you could get started in using their makeup line, right? Use the makeup line, use the parts that you like this is a new primer. I absolutely love it. But they have primers, they have setting sprays, they have foundation, they have, this is a liquid eyeliner, mascara, lipstick, all types of lipsticks from regular lipsticks to liquid lipsticks to one of the products I absolutely love, and this has been around a long time, but this is one of the best lip glosses I have ever used, and it comes in a ton of colors. Nail polish, if you're doing anything like that, all kinds of shades of foundation, all kinds of moisturizer. I didn't see that. But all kinds of moisturizers and skincare products and finishing products and things like that. So if you are a makeup artist and you're not marketing a product line, then you are, kind of cutting yourself short, because there is definitely a good profit margin if you are using a product and then referring that to your customer. And whether you have it on hand, which is always great, to be able to sell it to them right then, and you could really, kind of focus on one product that you want to really push, or they can continue just go to your website and order it for themselves, But this way, not only do you have that customer that day, but you have them as an ongoing customer, because now if they, they like the moisturizer or that lipstick or that whatever, they'll continue to buy from you, and every time they make a purchase, you get paid. So right now, zero investment, and you can get started in as little as 30 minutes. Click the link below, and let's get started.